we're going to use the double angle formulas here, the identities. So, first of all, we have to realize that we are in quadrant 3. We're between pi and 3 pi over 2, so that's quadrant 3. And as you can see, the tangent of u is positive, as we would expect in quadrant 3. So let's draw a picture of that. We're down here in quadrant 3. And let's see, I better give myself a little more room. And the opposite is 2. And the adjacent, the opposite is 1. The adjacent is 2. They're both negative. And let's see, what's the hypotenuse? Well, c squared is equal to 2 squared, which is 4, plus 1 squared, which is, so c is equal to the square root of 5. So the square root of 5. Okay, and this is angle u over here in quadrant 3. So now we're going to go up here and we're going to say, first of all, we want the sine of 2u. So the sine of 2u is equal to 2 sine u times cosine u. Alright, so that equals 2. What's the sine of u? Well, I have opposite over hypotenuse, right? Alright, so that's going to be negative 1 over the square root of 5. Times the cosine of u, well, that's negative 2 over square root of 5. And negative 2, just 2, over the square root of 5. And when I multiply that together, I'm going to get 5 on the bottom, right? Because square root of 5 times square root of 5 is 5. On the top, I'm going to get a positive because I had 2 negatives, and it's a 4. So the sine of 2u is 4 over 5. The cosine of 2u is equal to, I guess it'd be easier if I used one of these other formulas. I could just use that one right there. 1 minus 2 times the sine squared u. Alright, so that's 1 minus 2 times, what is the sine of u? Well, up above here I said that the sine of u was that, so it still is. I could find it again, but it's this squared. Alright, well that's going to be the same thing as 1 minus 2 times 1 over 5, right? And if I say 1 take away 2 over 5, I'm going to get 3 over 5. So cosine 2u is 3 over 5. Now I'm going to say the tangent of 2u is equal to 2 times the tangent of u over 1 minus tangent squared u. Alright, so I know from what they told me here that the tangent of u is 1/2, so 2 times 1/2 over 1 minus 1/2 squared. And that's 1 over 1 minus 1/4. So that gives me 1 over 3/4. And then I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal on the bottom, and the same thing on the top. My 4 and my 3 are going to cancel, and I'm going to get 4 over 3 as my answer for the tangent of 2u. Okay, so that's it.